All right, everyone, welcome back to Navigate with Colleen and Nate. Today we are doing a room tour. It's room 16032. This is a junior sky suite, an accessible sky suite. So the first thing you're gonna notice, I'm gonna get back here a little bit, is that there is a wider than normal door. Again, this is to allow a wheelchair user to easily get into the room. The other nice thing is when you touch your card down here, it's going to open up this door automatically, and there you can see Colleen. And as you can see, plenty of time to get in through the doorway here. As this shuts behind me, so first of all, plenty of storage space over here. So again, you want to put your shoes down there, easy grab and go items, backpacks, some drawers here. Again, those, when you see this, our balcony in a minute, you're going to see why we probably want to have breakfast on this ship. Again, plenty of drawer space. You got your hair dryer down here. Ladies, you know how well these things work. And some extra tissues. These waters here we bought. Those are not included with the room. Do have a nice ice bucket here. Ooh, they already have some ice in there ready waiting for us, along with this welcome bottle of Avion. I don't know if this is standard or if it's just something for today. And then again, of course, the Lavazza espresso, right? Holly and I have, no, don't listen Lavazza people, we have an espresso at home, but we do love a little cappuccino first thing in the morning. There's also a few tea packets as well too for you tea drinkers. But again, beautiful entry area, lovely little makeup mirror here, phone, and now Colleen's gonna show us the some other features of this amazing room.
Okay, so actually right as you enter in, we have all of our controls. So we've got a touch panel for our heat, our AC. We've got our lights that are at a nice level. We've got our, emergency buttons here, as well as the button to actually open up that front door. So nice and easy accessible. So we swing open the bathroom door. Want to point out, nice big bar here. So when you get into the bathroom, you can pull the door shut behind you. Some hooks, if you want to hang a wet bathing suit to kind of dry off here. You've got some great options there. As we move in, I mean, what can I say? This is phenomenal. So we have a beautiful tub on the left-hand side. It has an adjustable handheld. It does go down, I would say, to a reachable height. I do want to point out though, there's no transfer board or anything for this tub, so something to consider if you are a tub user. Moving straight forward here, we've got a very accessible toilet, beautiful grab bars. There is a safety pull cord here for you. Phone, beautiful towels. Tile is gorgeous, very accessible. All right, if we back up a little bit here, we have our roll-in shower. So just want to point out some nice grates there to help kind of filter out that water. As y'all know, sometimes the water can get a little overflow and start going into the rest of your bathroom, but I don't see that being an issue here. All right, as we roll in, there is a fold down bench that I would say is much larger than you typically would see on Royal or Celebrity. I've brought my own portable shower bench, and I think it's gonna fit nicely in here. We can try to capture a photo of that for everyone as well. But again, we've got upgraded amenities here. Beautiful tile again in that backsplash. It's just gorgeous. Everything is so shiny, and that handheld goes down nice and low. All right, moving on now. I am really excited about this. Ooh, that is loud, that great moves. I am very excited about this sink area though, navigators. I can roll under, and it's like a traditional sink area with a nice countertop, beautiful marble or quartz here. Nice shelving, easily reachable. Again, upgraded amenities. And then, we've got a little bit of draw space down here. We've got some storage area if you don't want to put anything up on the shelves, but beautiful, beautiful accessible bathroom.
So now we're going to show you the main attraction. I know Colleen really loves her bathrooms, but this living area is amazing. So first of all, there are 3 closets. So we're going to start with the first one here. Plenty of room in here. A little bit tough to see with the cameras, but does come with the robe. There are also some pull down bars as well too. Plenty of hangers. I have to say, that's one thing on cruise ships we're always asking for more of, especially on a sailing like this where we've packed a lot of clothes, is never enough hangers. So again, let's move a little bit further in and we're gonna show you the rest of the space. Anyways, we're gonna keep moving on. We have shut the shades for a second so you can actually see my face. But first thing I want to point out is there is a little fridge down here. It's just a cooling fridge. It's not like a refrigerator, but good if you do want to put some beverages in there or if you have medical supplies that need to stay cold. You can check that out there. Lovely decorative bowl. Don't know what you do with that. Beautiful full couch here. I think one of the things too, lovely large table here. Also, we noticed down here, we believe this is a pull-out bed as well. Oh, not gonna hurt myself trying that. Check with your room steward on that. Over here, another lovely chair, which is really great. And then of course, more closet space. So as we move into the rest of the space, again, a few more closets over here. So Colleen's gonna follow me over. So again, another full closet. This pull down bar here, I will say though, oh my gosh, it does lock into place. And now I don't know how to get back up. You gotta push it all the way down and back up. So again, if you have mobility issues with your hands or lack of strength, that's gonna be a little tough for you. There is a lower bar in here as there is in the other closets as well too. So again, that's always good. Beautiful, big, huge TV, a few more drawers. You can tuck away some knickknacks. And yet, yes, there's another closet. The one thing I will say, another one of these pull down bars in here. And again, another one of those lower shelf bars that I was talking about. This we don't understand, which is not only is the safe on the ground, Colleen can't get to it. At 6'2", I can't get to it very easily. So you gotta pop a squat to get down there. So I guess, Royal wants to make sure I'm getting down my, my squats while I'm on vacation, gotta stay in shape. But again, a little bit odd of a design choice. So next we have the bed. You can see we've lightened it up in here a little bit. So a couple things, there are call buttons on both sides of the bed with actually little extenders that extend out. USB-C and regular USB, or USB-C and regular USB ports there. Again, some more light switches right there. Lovely little lamp. The bed is great, and also there's a little table down here as well too. The bed is a good size. It's a tad higher than what you find in other accessible rooms on both Royal Caribbean and Celebrity. So just be aware of that. Colleen thinks it's gonna be fine, but again, just a little bit higher than we're used to, but again, no big deal. And also too, when you're staying in suite class, you can actually, there's a pillow menu. How fancy is that? Do they have an appetizer pillow and a main on-course? I don't know. Anyways, next we're gonna move out here to the balcony area, which is absolutely fantastic.
All right, and one thing I have to point out is I would say on most other Royal ships, this incline can be really steep to kind of get up to the entrance to the balcony. I would say it's virtually flat. It is perfect. And I just roll right out. And this is a magnificent balcony. It is huge. So I don't think we've ever had a nice big full table like this.
No.
So we are gonna definitely take advantage of that. But there's like dancing room out here, guys. Like we could have a party. On top of that, we've got a nice little like comfortable seat with a little table. I can see Nate coming out here and enjoying some coffee in the morning while I'm still snoozing.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is an amazing suite. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. We're so excited to have you all along with us. This is day one of our adventure here. Hopefully you enjoyed this room tour a little more thorough than we normally do, but we know no one's ever seen this room before.
Exactly.
So again, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. We're gonna have a lot more icon content coming out over the next few weeks. It's gonna take us a long time to get it all out. And again, remember to
navigate your world.